When you first boot up brynux, you're presented with the GNOME shell, which is this graphical user interface. This is how you access all your programs and files. I'm just quickly going to give you an overview on it, and then in the next tutorial I'm going to go into more depth about what programs are already installed on brynux. The most important place to go is the Activities Overview menu. So what that shows you is an overview of all the programs you're running and where everything is. On the left hand side here we have our dash. Those are the programs that we want to access frequently, and it's also showing some of the programs that we've already got open. My favorite tool is this search up here. You don't even have to click into it, but if you just type a keyword such as video, it'll show you all the programs that you've got installed that are to do with video, and also any files that or folders that have the word video in it. If I press escape on my keyboard, I go back to the overview menu again. On the right hand side you have what's called Workspaces. So instead of just having one desktop like this is my file manager, I can actually set up multiple desktops. Now that's really handy. I'll have a desktop that just has my internet stuff on it, and then I'll have another desktop that has my graphic programs. So let's click on our Activities Overview menu again. I'll show you what that looks like. If I click on the second workspace here, I can see I've got my Thunderbird email program, and I've got my Google Chrome web browser on the brynux web page. That's that workspace. And if I go over here to my third workspace, it shows a couple of graphics programs, gcolor 2, and of course GIMP, the GNOME image manipulation program, which is a very powerful program for editing images. So that's how you can set up multiple workspaces. If you want to change the settings, such as volume or network settings, click on this little power icon up here, and then click on this edit icon, and this takes you into the settings panel. In the settings panel you can change your background image, you can change the way that notifications come to you, such as at the bottom of the screen it will let you know when an email has arrived. You can add in online accounts such as your Google account or Dropbox accounts, and it'll automatically integrate with those. You can set your privacy settings, and there's lots of other settings in here such as display resolution, power consumption. That's just like the control panel in Windows. Most of the time you won't need to be in here, but it's just a good place to know about if you want to change those sorts of settings. So that's a general overview of the GNOME shell. In my next video tutorial I'm going to start talking about the applications installed on brynux.